here's the first thing I want you to do. Down here, we've got these funny shaped little, well, they almost look like pebbles. We want to label those with a 1, please. We want to label those with a 1.
Wait, what is the thing?
It's like water pockets.
They're kind of well, it's the V that comes closest to the stalk. These are not water pockets, but they are involved with water. So you're gonna want to write a number 1 there, and then come over on the side. And you guys actually have more space than I do, so that's good for you guys. On your 1 here, you're gonna say nutrients.
Wait, just for that one?
Yes. You'll find what's going to happen is we're going to kind of do steps or sequences of importance / how the water gets into a plant. Okay. So the first thing we need to know is that these things here, these are nutrients, and they get dissolved into the water.
Here.
That's in the soil. So remember how we talked during the science unit on water a while ago about how the groundwater absorbs nutrients? Well, this is another instance where that's going to play a part in our science unit. So the first thing that happens is nutrients get dissolved in the water. Okay, and then Isaiah correctly identified that some of these particles are water. Okay, so the ones that look more like spherical balls, that's our water. Okay, I'm going to call it groundwater because it's in the ground. Okay, and then see these arrows here? The arrow is showing that the groundwater is passing through the membrane to enter the plant. So they're not, at this level down here, these are not called roots, they are called root hairs.
They're called root.
Okay. So that would be, that would be where this arrow here is going to. Okay. All right. Do we notice anything weird about the shape of root hairs? Do they look kind of similar to something else we have seen in the last 2 weeks?
Yes. Speech bubble.
What do they look similar to, Zach?
Celery.
Celery.
They look similar to celery because they're green?
No, because there's celery.
Just speech bubble.
What?
There's a big stick of green.
What did,
Celery, that's
in our when we were doing cell specialization and we were talking about the cells in the intestines, what did they have? They had those big projections coming off of them, right?
Oh, sure, yeah.
So they had, so look, our root hair is a big projection of the cell membrane out into the dirt, and it increases the surface area of this layer of cells. See how this is all one cell here? So the root hair is actually increasing surface area. Remember too that the more surface area we have, I'll come to you too. The more room you have for absorption, the more water you can absorb, okay? Tegan, what's up?
They remind me of the inside of lawns when they have like little hairs. Not really little hairs, but.
Yeah, it's the same idea. They're trying to elongate stuff. Caitlin, what was your?
So it's basically the root of the plant.
Yeah, this is like the ground level. ground level, the smallest level that you have. Okay, put that in your science
It was
notebook.
just
We'll get back to it tomorrow.
It's the root
Yeah,
of
we
the
read
root
the
of the
late.
plant.
Science, just turned science. Yeah, we started late.
It's the root of